These all are microwave oven magnetron. See, these all are magnetron. See, these both are Samsung company, and this is Galant's company. These all are microwave oven magnetron. I will show you how to check magnetron. See, these two terminals will show continuity. See, these two terminals will show continuity. With body, no continuity. See, with body, no continuity. See, so this is good magnetron. See, two terminals which will show continuity. There inside it is a coil. With body, see, with body, no continuity. So that is good magnetron.